Hello, Metaverse Millionaires. This is Zindagi Sultan, and in today's video, I'm gonna tell you how to delete any channel in a Discord server. So, let's start this video. I think I should first create a text channel and then delete it, and then create a voice channel and then delete it. Okay, let's start. Let's create deletable channel, right? Deletable channel, deletable channel, right? Text channel. I have highlighted text. You have, while creating channel, you have to press this tick. And now, welcome to deletable channel. Why welcome? We are going to delete it. So now I want to delete this channel because I don't need this channel. What to do? Let's see what. Edit channel, and then press this three dots, delete channel, press delete channel, confirm delete, and your channel will be deleted. You see, now this channel is no more. So let's see, can we repeat the same procedure for voice channels? Let's create a new voice channel. In this way you will also learn how to create channels. This channel is testing delete system. Testing delete system, good name. Testing delete system. No, now we have to highlight this voice channel, tick, and now no, I just try. Okay. Okay, if you hold a channel, if you long hold or hold a voice channel for some time, it will take you to the edit screen or settings screen. Press three dots, click on delete channel, confirm delete, and this way. So I hope you like this video. What else you want to learn regarding Discord or any other matter related to metaverse, web3, latest technology, NFTs, play to earn? Let me know in the comments, and come here at this Discord channel, Earning in Metaverse. You will never repent. You will learn valuable assets here.